Hey guy, myself Mr. Jason Anthony and I'm residing in Virar, Mumbai, and I'm specially in Pune here to get the courses done from IFSI, and the course has been conducted for the awareness of the myths that are being unveiled by the institute here regarding the steroids and the abuse. Mr. Nikhil and Mr. Rishi has been given a wonderful response and have been giving us a knowledge about all the compounds that are being used in bodybuilding and the proper usage of it, and the awareness that they are spreading is fabulous, and we are hoping to get some more knowledge out of it in the future too. And all the testosterones and all the side effects and all the precautions and all the blood count that they are giving the knowledge about is really wonderful, and I hope that the team may continue the same work ahead. And I like to visit some other workshops here too, and I would like to refer IFSI and every other courses to each and every of my friend, and the team is doing a superb job. Hope they continue it well in the future. Yeah.